Morning guys, happy Saturday. I apologize for the abrupt ending to the vlog yesterday. I went to my aunt's house for that pearl party and just kind of got swept up in talking with my family and stuff and forgot to pull out the camera. So it is what it is. Anyways, it's Saturday morning about 10:30 and I just woke up. My husband went out hunting this morning. What time did you leave the house?
I left the house at about 6:15.
Woke up at 4:30? No, you set your alarm for 4:30. You didn't get up at 4:30.
I got up at 4:45.
Okay, well, close enough. So he was out hunting this morning. Apparently he failed, but that's okay. And he called me on the way home and asked if I wanted to go for a breakfast date. So we are heading to get some food, which is awesome because I woke up starving and I haven't had coffee yet, so that's a must. Can you see past me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we're gonna go and have a little breakfast date and we're gonna get our day started. So it is our first day of our Advent adventures, and the kids are going to start out by each getting one of these. So, red or blue?
Red, please. Can I have the red one?
So Austin's going to get this one. Robbie's going to get this one. You guys can set them up in your room. Do you know what they are?
Yeah, they're advent calendars. There's little chocolates in every single one.
Yep, so every single day you guys get a little piece of chocolate.
Or 24, or the first day.
No.
I want one.
Starts at 6.
No, it doesn't. You got to find the one.
What?
You got to find the one. You want some help opening it?
No, I got it.
Tried to open it.
Really?
I don't see a 1. Oh, and then 24 is humongous.
Wait, 24 is huge. Where?
There's no
They're
1.
different.
Oh, wait,
They're not
why
the
is your
same.
24 huge?
Let's see.
Oh, 24 is kind
Oh,
of...
found it. It's right.
Where's your
there on
24?
mine.
Okay, so open it
24
up and
right
see what's
here
in
is-
there.
Oh, yeah, it's twice the size.
Will you guys share what's in your little advent calendars when you get them open?
It depends what's in them.
Alright, so Austin's going to open his
Oh, I got
advent
this.
calendar. Did you find it?
Yeah. Oh, it opened on the side.
What is it?
It looks like looks like a part of a Christmas tree.
Okay.
There's like a light, 2 baubles, and then the branches.
Cool. So go ahead and enjoy that. Tell me what you think. Is it good?
Oh, no, it's a candle.
Oh yeah, there you go. So now that was your first day, and every single day you can open a new little treat. You guys have never had an advent calendar before, have you?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, so Austin set up his little advent calendar on his shelf here with all of his favorite things and
Some
a Mountain Dew.
Alright.
Alright. Robbie?
Here's the one. So,
How can you even see that? My eyes are too bad.
You have to look at it from
1,
an
2,
angle.
3, pop! That popped.
It opens toward like the left.
Ooh. No, I can just.
Shouldn't have to do that. It
You
should
should
pop
just
right
pull
out.
it out. Want some help?
No.
Okay.
There you go.
And then it's got a little. Oh,
What's that?
it's the same thing. It shows it down here.
Oh.
Mine was the exact same thing.
Yeah, well, they're the same brand. They just have a
Now if I
different scene.
close that back
Well, I
up
thought
real
that
quick.
it'd be And only one a day, Robbie. We will know.
It's weird chocolate, but it's good chocolate.
Good. We're going to take this little lady to PetSmart and get her a coat because we got her fur cut and it's winter here almost and we've had lots of winter weather and she'll freeze. Her little took us off. So we're going to go get her a coat. You ready to go get a coat? Go for a walk? Alright, we're at Sonic for dinner. I think we're all gonna get chili dogs, right?
Yep.
Awesome. And tots, because their tots are amazing.
$1.
Do you guys remember when I was here at Walmart on Tuesday when I was running my errands and doing my grocery shopping and I was excited about $2.12 a gallon for gas? Well, now it's down to $2 a gallon. So we never, ever, ever fill up between Tuesdays. I fill up every Tuesday, whether we need it or not. Typically don't let our gauge go below a quarter of a tank, but we only have like a quarter of our tank missing, but we're gonna go ahead and fill up because at $2 a gallon, who knows how long it's gonna stay that low. And it may stay that low until Tuesday, but just in case it doesn't, we're gonna go ahead and top our tank off. I'm so excited about these gas prices. So we discovered upon coming home that Austin's closet was a complete disaster. So he is emptying everything out of his closet and we're gonna refold, reorganize, purge what doesn't fit, and hopefully get his closet put back in order.